Pearla's windy day. Princess Pearla waits to hear the banging of a shutter. When she looks outside, she sees the castle's flags aflutter. She says, "I can feel the cool air." She smiles as the wind blows through her hair. Pearla walks over and the wind shakes the trees. She watches all the cherry blossoms drifting in the breeze. She walks to the windmill where the sails go around and dandelion's fluffy seeds all float along the ground. She happily looks at the boats. Rover does too. They enjoy the blue sea. Oh, what a view! With all this special power that the windy weather brings, I think I'll get my giant kite, the one with double strings. Pearla flies the giant kite. The wind is just so strong. She tugs and pulls the strings. I can't hold on for long. Luckily, the little prince is there to help her, and that's how they both have fun together.